Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Kawa Mombasa wadhinyake kaunti ma Homa Bay kama sirikand kaunti no ukinyima kawuono no yango ikruok magise keto marakruok gimidhiero minyalo kel kod koth mar El Nino. Kane loso kinde yango chenro makamano, gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga wacho ni osendiko jopiny kata osendiko piny gwenge mahinyo yudo ula mapek, kowacho ni tend kaunti biro neno ni jodak duto oket kama ber kapok kodhe madongo ochakore.
And the plan is now officially unveiled.
This is why we are here today, to launch.
No government can sustain this response on their own. And that is why we must have a robust resource mobilization plan, so that we reach out to our partners, to as many people as possible to help us during this season, so that even after the El Nino, we don't come out and all we can do within the financial year is only to respond to the effects of El Nino and not do any other programs.
El Nino will actually uproot even trees. It will cause the blackout everywhere in this county and in the entire, possibly the region. The El Nino effect will make the lake to swell and also rivers also to swell. So it is coming. So let us prepared to act swiftly when we are being called upon.
We plan as communications to go on radio, to communicate with our local radio stations and even the national radio stations. I'm sure the national government will also be doing its part where communications is concerned, and we'll just be replicating the same down here just to ensure that our people are well informed and they are ready.
Skun Primar Marai Kanya